Let me ask you something. Why is it that you're always the one texting first, always making plans, always available whenever she needs you, but when you need her? Crickets. And you already know what's happening. She doesn't respect you. But here's what nobody will tell you. There's one move, just one, that completely flips the script. She starts chasing your attention, wondering what you're doing, actually trying to impress you. And I'm about to show you exactly what it is. If you're tired of being the backup plan, stay with me. All right, let's talk about what's really going on. You've been the perfect guy. Responding to every text within seconds, being understanding, dropping your plans when she calls, being her emotional therapist at midnight. And what did it get you? Less respect, less attraction, less effort from her side. Here's the truth they don't teach you. Being nice doesn't create respect. Being always available doesn't create attraction. Think about it. That restaurant you can walk into anytime? Do you value it? Or that exclusive spot with a 3-month wait list? You're dying to get in. You've made yourself the 24/7 diner when you should be the reservation-only steakhouse. So here it is, the move that changes everything. Stop making her the center of your universe and become the center of your own. Sounds simple, but here's why most guys never do it. It's uncomfortable. It means saying no. It means prioritizing yourself, even when she gets upset. Here's exactly what this looks like. She texts, "What are you doing?" Instead of, "Nothing much," you're actually doing something. At the gym, working on your side hustle. She calls last minute wanting to hang out. Old you cancels everything. New you, "I've got plans tonight, but I'm free Thursday." That's it. 9 words. Watch what happens. Her brain goes into overdrive. Wait, he has plans? Why isn't he free? Suddenly, you're not the sure thing anymore. You're interesting. You're valuable. You're worth pursuing. Here's the psychology. Every time you drop everything for her, you're communicating, "My time has no value." But when you prioritize yourself, you demonstrate self-respect. And self-respect is magnetic. We chase what moves away from us. We ignore what chases us. This isn't manipulation. This is basic human nature. You're not playing games. You're actually building a life worth living. Let me give you the exact playbook. First, stop instant replies. Finish your workout, then respond. Second, honor commitments to yourself. She wants to hang, but you promised yourself you'd work on your business? Stick to it. Third, stop over-explaining. "I can't, tonight is enough." Fourth, build something real. Hit the gym. Work on that side hustle. Let her see you're focused on becoming better. And here's what happens next. First week, she'll test you. Double texts, attitude. You're acting different. Don't defend yourself. Just, "I've been focused on some things." Then the shift. And you won't care as much because you built real confidence. So right now, you have a choice. Click off and stay exactly where you are. Or decide today is the day you stop seeking approval and start building self-respect. Here's your challenge. Find one thing where you've put her above yourself. Your workout, your business, whatever. Prioritize it, just once. And when she notices, don't explain. Just keep going. Because the moment you stop seeking her respect and start building your own worth, everything changes. You're not being mean. You're being a man who knows his value. And that's the most attractive thing you can possibly be. Now go prove it. If this hit you, subscribe, because we're building an army of men who refuse to settle. I'll see you in the next one.